Well guys, we survived the night. A little mosquito-y, but that's all right. So we're on to day 2. So we packed up camp already because we're going to see if we find something else during the day. It might be a better site. So for now, just munching on some breakfast, heading back out of the bay, and we're going to see what the day holds for us. So hope you come along for this one as well. Let's see what we can get up to. Alright guys, well, we're out of the channels now, so it's actually quite a nice day out here. So what we're going to try and do is go that way to the Limestone Islands, which is really far out there. So that's our mission for the day, Limestone Islands. So hope you'll come along with us. Beautiful sunrise morning here. And there goes all of his gas. LOL, just kidding. Check this out, guys. What's it say? Red Rock Light Station. Oh, winch right there. Cool. What are the odds the door's open? Nope. Look at that. Nice. Probably for a helicopter, you think, eh? There's even a ladder down to it. Cool.
Do you think it's still functioning, Lighthouse?
Oh yeah. I mean, it's got fresh paint over here. Well, somewhat. Guys, you can see they've kind of like put together this wall stone here to kind of brace from waves coming this way. So just to keep the door safe, I guess. Makes sense. Pretty cool to see. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that little bit of drone footage we got of the lighthouse there. So we're going to continue on our ways and see what next little spot we can find to explore. So let's get going. I keep saying that, but it is what it is. So we're going to keep heading out onto the bay and seeing what fun we can get up to. So let's go. Hi guys, well we've made it. Limestone Islands. Car protects nesting colonies, dogs. Do not disturb. Nope. Okay. We can walk around on here as long as we stay to the outside by the shoreline, which is all I was going to do. I ain't going to walk in there. It's all poison ivy in there. So let's go this way and see what we can find. Now, I would assume if the water level was up the way it was before, this would be underwater. But, I mean, this could be quite impressive in a storm. The waves would just be coming right this way. So, alright guys, calm down. So guys, you can see this would have been underwater last year. Look, there even is still a little bit wide.
It's funniest because this is what we would have been trying to sneak our sea-doos in to get here last year.
Tie up to this thing.
Exactly.
Wow, it just looks barren. Crazy. Huh. Weird that like out of all this is here and that's just open. It's just so barren. But I mean, I guess it makes sense. Like, if you have huge storms coming through, like, the waves would probably get all the way up to that bridge there, I bet. Crazy. Alright guys, well we made it back onto the Sea-Doo. Walked the whole island. That was really cool. So now I think our plan is we're gonna probably head towards Massasauga, do some fishing in there, maybe grab some lunch at Parry Sound. So just come on and we'll keep moving through this day. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. Well guys, the day has gotten on. We've gone back to the dock, fueled back up to full bars. You can't see because the sun is so bright. And we're going out for night 2 camping. So we're about to punch it back out into the wilderness. So let's head out there and get going. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful sunset. So let's get going. Guys, I'm telling you, how do you beat this? Honestly, wow. Alright, so we've made it to where we're going to camp. Now we gotta find a campsite, so let's see what we find. Guys, I think I got some sun today. It's all worth it. Anyways, we're just coming into the campsite. Slow, steady, make sure we don't hit anything. So we're gonna go back to the same campsite we were at last night, just because there's a lot of more people up here, and this one is out of the way, so we figured no one would come find it. So, yep, no one's there. So it's all ours again. Wow, how beautiful. Like, this is why I come out here, just for views like that, 100%. That's just spectacular. Oh my. Alright guys, just gonna pull up to shore now, so give me a second. All right guys, well, as you can see, it is now very dark, and we are gonna call it for tonight. So stick around for either the next video coming soon, or this just continues on and everyone's happy. So until either the next video or see you in a minute, be safe out on the water. You can't see my face. Be safe out on the water. Peace.
Whoa. Holy, never mind, bro.
What?
Holy shit, bro, the size of the fish. I'm about to jump in there with what I just saw. Holy shit, bro.
Where?
It's right under here. I just saw it go swim there.
That way or that way?
It was swimming this way. Holy fuck, there's something right under here, bro. Huge, bro. It was like this. How the fuck could I get? I'm about to jump in a second.
Well, go to town, bud. Did you see what it was?
Oh man, I just saw the fucking big thing move.
Okay. Well, we've lost him to fish, so.